we have a watch that's my son's, and this button broke off and he stabbed a safety pin in the hole trying to make it glow in the dark, because that's where you do that, and it stopped working. So I'm going to take 5 minutes and see if I can figure it out. Gotta be careful about where those screws go. That one went flying. Probably not going to be able to fix this, but we can at least open it up and see. Okay, so we poked it through here. The battery's under this little sticker thing. I think when he stabbed down farther in, so I have to take it apart more. I actually have to take those screws out. Nope, I didn't. Silly me. There we go. So that's what the screen looks like, and that black stuff is just permanent. This is what the back looks like. Let's keep on going, see what we can find. These little screws are teeny tiny. Tiny. Look at that. Let's see if I can try to force myself to stay right there. I tend to go off the screen. A lot of little screws just for the back of the watch. The inside of the watch, I guess. There's the battery. Here comes the tricky part. Tricky part's putting it back together. Oh boy. Okay, so we stabbed it. From this corner. I don't see. I'm not good at this, but I don't see any damage. Those are from the other side. Well, the cool thing is, each one of these little metal parts, there's, I don't know, 2 dozen, connect with this screen. Oh, that's interesting. Connect with this screen on the contacts on this little spongy looking, this pink and black part. What's interesting is back. It's, your guess is as good as mine which way that went. how it goes, something like that. Let's see if we can put it. I'll try putting that on there like that, but that's not gonna. That'll work yet. Put it in the plastic part right here. That in there first, like that. This is why they don't make digital clocks by hand. Okay. That will go like that. But I need to get these springs on. Thank goodness for that post right there. There's a teeny tiny little post. Oh, I got it on the wrong one. There's two little holes on this piece of metal. There we go, got it. Got it through the wrong one. So, I think it went like this. If I talk too loud, it's going to get messed up. I know it. Oh, but I probably didn't already mess it up. Nope, but I already did.
These screws are so tiny.
I think I just stripped that one because it's so small. I hope getting this correct. Alright, these little batteries, I always thought the bump was the positive on these little tiny batteries, but it's actually the negative. The flat side is the positive. It's like backwards compared to like AA and AAA batteries and stuff. Okay. Doing anything? Nope. It's shot. I don't know what broke. Maybe I broke it when I took it apart. But it's not doing anything. I think this little gray thing is actually the vibrator when you have an alarm. It's crazy that all the buttons on the side of the watch do is just push this onto that middle right there. I'll put it back together and he can bury it in the yard or something. Give it a little funeral. Or maybe he can take it apart and see what it looks like. Never know. Maybe I'll put it back in here and it'll turn right on. Probably not. Well, I'll get the back on. Give it back to him later. See you next time.